Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have got photos saved in Google Drive and you are wondering how to download them to your device, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to download your photos from Google Drive. So let's jump right in. Open up your Google Drive. Once you're there, click on the photo you want. If you have already got that photo, then click on the three dots. Then you can see several options, but you need to download it. So scroll down. Once you found the download option, click on the download and allow the drive to access your photos, media and files on your device. Here you can see one item is being downloaded. And yeah, that's it. Now you know how to easily download your photos from Google Drive, no matter what device you are using. I hope this video helped you out and make the process super easy and clear. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone else. And if you got any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss out. No more easy to follow tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.